Do you have a fixed-rate mortgage and are looking to pay down your mortgage faster? As a First National fixed-rate customer, you have access to several prepayment privileges, including your 15% payment increase. Once per anniversary year, you can increase your principal and interest payments by up to 15%. This increased payment amount will be applied directly to your principal balance, which will help you pay less in interest over the lifetime of your mortgage, decrease your amortization, and pay off your mortgage sooner. We've designed your 15% payment increase to be flexible in order to complement your financial situation, but there are a few things to remember. You can use your 15% payment increase once per anniversary year. You can increase your principal and interest payments and use the entire 15%, or you can increase your payment by just a portion of it, such as 5, 7, or 10%. You can remove or decrease your 15% payment increase at any time, but you won't be able to increase your payments again until your next anniversary year. If you wish to pay more against your mortgage, you can still take advantage of your other prepayment privileges. Now, let's see how you can save by using your 15% payment increase. Let's say your weekly principal and interest payment is $100. You could increase your weekly payment by 15% for a new weekly payment of $115. That's an additional $15 per weekly payment, or $780 per year that will go towards reducing your principal balance. Another advantage of your 15% payment increase privilege is that you can compound your payments annually. Let's go back to our last example. In your previous anniversary year, you used your full 15% payment increase and increased your original $100 weekly principal and interest payment to $115. Now, in this anniversary year, you want to increase your weekly payment again by another 15%. Your weekly mortgage payment has increased to $132.25 because your 15% payment increase is based on last year's increased payment and not your original principal and interest payment. That's now $32.25 per week, or $1,677 per year that will go towards reducing your principal balance. As you can see, using your 15% payment increase can help you pay down your mortgage faster. Are you curious to see how using your 15% payment increase can help you save on interest costs? Use First National's Pay Down Scenario Builder to test drive your 15% payment increase and see how much you can save. When you're ready to use your 15% payment increase privilege, simply log into My Mortgage and submit your request. We'll need at least 5 business days before your next mortgage payment to process your request. Use your payment increase privilege to increase your mortgage payments by 15%. Log in to My Mortgage today.